about the final project 3. So I'm DBEF Abarquez from BSED Math 3A. The final project task 3. In this task, we need to determine if a specific group is a cyclic and identify its cycle subgroups. Doing this helps us again clearer understanding of group structure and how its elements form subgroups. So we'll begin if the group 16B 16B with the operation of star is a cyclics. So the group elements of the elements is the N 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315 vertical, upper left, lower left, horizontal, lower right, right, and upper right. So this is the group. This is the subgroup. So we have the N star N is N. Titigil na tayo kasi nga bumalik na siya sa sarili niya. So we have 45. So 45 star 45 is 90. 45 star 90 is 135. 45 star 135 is 180. 45 star 180 is 225. 45 star 225 is 270. 45 star 270 is 315. 45 star N is 45. So, ganun lang siya, ulit lang din siya. So, dito sa 90, 90 star 90 is equals to 180. So, 90 star 180 is 270 and 90 star 270 is N and 90 star N is 90. So, pag bumalik na tayo sa 90, yung kwan natin, i-stop na siya. So, ganun lang naman siya and so on so far. Next, so, by the definition of a group is considered cyclic if one of its elements can generate the entire group. Since no element in 16B is able to do that, we can say that 16B is not a cyclic group. So next, we'll look into the cyclic subgroups of within 16B. So we have B sub 5, we have N and 315. So sa N, meron tayong N. So we have 315. 315 star N is 315 star 315 is N and 315 star N is 315. So next we have B sub 9 and have N and V. So N star N is N, V star N is N, V star V is N, V star N is V. So next we have B sub 10, we have N and upper left. So we have N star N is N, upper left star upper left is N, and upper left star N is upper left. So therefore, yung B5, B9, so on, so or ganun ulit-ulit lang. So B5, B9, B10, B11, B12, and B13 is B13, 14, 15, 16 is a cyclic group. So all the subgroups of 16B with the operation of star that contain two elements, one another element, elements are all the subgroups of 16B star with the operation of star that contain two elements are cyclic. These subgroups always include the identity element E and one another element A because group are close where their operation and include inverses. Multiplying A by itself gives E, meaning A raised to 2 equals E. So the elements A has order 2. This means the subgroups generated by A written as a group of A fits the definition of a cyclic subgroup, so we can say that every two-element subgroup is a cyclic by nature. So now let's examine the subgroup within four elements to see with which of them is cyclic. So we have B sub 17, NU, NV, UL, and L. So we sa N, meron tayong N. So sa V, B star V is N, V star N is V, UL star UL is N, UL star N is UL. L star L is N, L star N is L. So sa B18, B19, and B20, same lang sila. So itong mga to, hindi siya cyclic group kasi nga hindi niya nako-contain yung mga elements na nakasulat dito. So now let's proceed to, since there is a no cyclic to the subgroup that we operate, let's operate another element and call it B23. So now we have the B sub 23 with the element of n, 90, 180, and 270. So we have sa B23 we have n, 90, 180, and 270. So sa n star n we have n, 90 star 90 we have 180, 90 star 180 we have 270, 90 star 270 and we have n, and 90 star 90, 90 star n is we have 90. So umulit na, then 180 star 180 is n, 180 star n is 180, 270 star 270 is 180, 270 star 90, 180 is equals to 90, 270 equals 90, I star 90 equals to n, and 270 star n is equal to 270. Therefore, it is a cyclic kasi nga na-contain niya na lahat ng elements na nakasulat dito. So next, we have the subgroup B23 and 90, 180 to 70 with the element of 90 and 90, 180 to 70 turns out is the only 4-element subgroup that is cyclic. Also, most elements in the 4-element groups are the same ones that make the 2-element cyclic group except for N, 90, and 270. This helps us easily find which groups might be cyclic without checking every single one. Now let's find out which 8 elements groups are cyclic. So we have B21 and 45. So sa B21, mayroon tayong element na N, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, and 315 with the operation of stars. So we have N star N is N, 45 star N, 45 is equals to 45 star 45 is 90, 45 star 90 is 135, 45 star 135 is 220, 180, 45 star 180 is 225, 45 star 225 is 270, 45 star 270 is 315, 45 star 315 is N, 45 star N is 45. So next we have 90, 90 star 180 is equals, 90 star 90 is 180, 90 star 180 is 270, 90 star 270 is N, and 90 star N is 190. So next we have 135, 135 was 135 star 135 is 270, 135 star 270 is 45, 135 star 180 is 315, 135 star 315 is 90, and so on, so on. O, ganun lang din yung mga gagawin dito sa 315. Sa subgroup B21 and with the element of N, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315 with the star, with the operation of star is a cyclic because the element B22 along with 45, 135, 225, and 315 can generate the entire B sub 22. On the other hand, B sub 22 is equals N, V, U, L, A, L, L, H, L, R, and R with the operation of star is also a cyclic group. Note that the N only generates itself and elements like V, U, L, 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 H, L, R, R, U, R, which form 2-element cyclic subgroups. On the other hand, 90 and 270 can generate 4-element subgroup that are also a cyclic but limited in scope. So, since the group of N generates only itself, it's a trivial and cyclic group. We also established that 16, the group of 16B with the operation of star is not a cyclic group. This confirms that 16B, the group of 16B with the operation stars is not cyclic either. Therefore, the only cyclic subgroups of the group of 16B star with the operation of star are B sub 5, B sub 9, B sub 10, B sub 11, B sub 12, B sub 13, B sub 14, B sub 15, B sub 16, B sub 21, B sub 22, and B sub 23. And that's all for my final project 3. Thank you.